today I'm reviewing the Ordinary Multi-Peptide Lash and Brow Serum. And really quick, I just want to say, I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsors or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, join my Patreon community, or click on the links below. Okay, I get excited for anything The Ordinary releases still. And you know what? They don't release that many new products, so I get excited for any of it. I love their multi-peptide serum for hair density. I love that stuff. It's one of the products I've been using daily since I tried it the first time, which is probably years ago. So anyway, so once they came out with this, and it was pretty affordable, I thought I'd give it a whirl. So anyway, okay, so they say the Ordinary Multi-Peptide Lash and Brow Serum is a concentrated, lightweight serum that is designed to promote the look of thicker, fuller, and healthier lashes and brows. So when I get to packaging, which is my first criteria, the applicator is wonderful for eyelashes. It is so easy to apply. You can apply them pretty easily with pretty good accuracy. When it gets to like eyebrows, it's not the easiest to apply, especially like liberally because of the small design, especially if you have very sparse eyebrows like myself. You need to get a lot of coverage to get them going, and it's a little bit iffy there, but overall it's decent packaging. It's a multi-use product for two areas, so I get it. I mean, but still, it's a little bit trickier, especially if you're buying just for your eyebrows. Okay, in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. It's fragrance-free and has no noticeable scent to it. The manufacturing location for this one is Canada, so no issues with that. Ease of use, so I kind of just mentioned the tip of it's a little bit tricky for brows, but they recommend after cleansing and drying the application area, apply a thin layer along the lash line and eyebrows in the morning and evening, which would be twice a day. I will say my eyes are sensitive. They're very sensitive, which is why I stopped using a lot of other eyelash products on the area. If I use this every night, my eyes will get dry and I will need to put eye drops in throughout the night. I was testing it. I've been testing this really since it came out. It's nearly empty now, but I do reach for my eye drops much more often. So I've been trying to use it every night, but to be honest, I've probably been using it like every other night. So my results probably aren't going to be the same as what everyone else is going to get, especially somebody that's using it twice a day when I'm using it every day or every other day. So, but otherwise, it's easy to apply except for the dry eyes, which that's just probably me, and I had LASIK done, and they've always been a little dry after that. Okay, so antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. So I will mention this does not contain prostaglandins, which is the magic ingredient in Latisse. That after you use it for like 2 or 3 weeks, you can notice amazingly long lashes and brows. There's other brands like New Lash, Babe Lash, the Rodan Field, which is an MLM lash boost. It does not contain those prostaglandins, which is also probably why this product is cheaper, because the prostaglandins, especially in like Latisse, are very expensive. So keep that in mind. That's the magic ingredient for long lashes, is those prostaglandins. However, it does have some nice ingredients which will help with lash growth. So the first one is Myristoyl Pentapeptide 17, which is 2 ingredients combined together, mystric acid combined with pentapeptide 17. It can help condition lashes as well as increase lash length. Then it also contains Biotinoyl Tripeptide 1, which is claimed to be an ingredient that's cell-communicating and helpful for reducing hair loss and also making eyelashes appear longer, fuller, and stronger. So those 2 ingredients will help. You will get longer lashes, but it might not be as dramatic as with other products that contain those prostaglandins, which are usually, I think, like if this one isn't on sale, this New Lash, it's 0.11 ounces, and I think it typically retails for like $100 or something, but I got this a long time ago, and my eyes are so sensitive, I can't use it in my eyes. I use it in my eyebrows now, so, which is a bummer, but whatever. Okay, then we've also got Oligopeptide 2, which is a skin conditioning ingredient. We've got Acetyl Tetrapeptide 3, cell communicating ingredient, also thought to help with hair loss and scalp strength that help holds on to hair follicles. We've got Caffeine, antioxidant, also thought to help with stimulate hair growth. We've got Panthenol, which is a skin soothing and wound healing ingredient. We've got Arginine and Glycine, which are 2 skin identical amino acids. We've got Glycoproteins, which are skin conditioning ingredients. So we've got Larix, Europaea wood extract, which is a humectant that I'd never heard of before. So learn something new every day. We've got red clover extract, which is an astringent. Green tea extract, antioxidant, skin soothing ingredient. And then finally, zinc chloride, which is a soothing ingredient. So a decent list without including those super expensive prostaglandins. And some people don't want to use prostaglandins, especially some people with light eyes, because they can change your eye color, some people have thought, and it can darken your eyelids and your eye area, kind of make them look like you've got more circles, and sometimes cause eye sensitivity, although even with this one I still is sensitive to it. So anyway, so in terms of animal testing, this is vegan as well as cruelty free. In terms of the performance of this one, I think it helped lengthen my lashes a little, maybe a touch longer than they normally are, but nowhere near what I had with other products that use prostaglandins like Babe Lash or New Lash. Nothing like that. Nothing, nowhere near it. It did help probably lengthen it a little bit. And you know what? Me not being able to use it twice a day probably didn't help either. In my opinion, the results that this gave me, they were not worth the dryness it caused. So definitely not a repurchase for me. There's no way I could use this twice a day, let alone every night. Some people have had better results and better luck with this, especially if your eyes aren't as sensitive. It'll probably work a lot better for you. Yeah, so in terms of the price, so this is the full size, which is 0.16 ounces. This is in 0.11 ounces. It's all in the packaging. This one looks like it's a lot, but it's smaller. And it retails for $14.50. If this contained prostaglandins, this bottle, there's tube, would probably be $60 or $100. So that's why it's much cheaper than those other products out there, because you don't have the expensive ingredient. In terms of the it factor, if you're looking for dramatically longer lashes, it's just not for you, in my opinion. You'll see some slight additional growth, but you're not going to get that amazing lash length explosion that you get with the other stuff. If you're willing to use it once or twice daily and just want a little bit of lash growth, it's worth a try, in my opinion. But some people will have good luck with it, and some people, like with sensitive eyes like myself, just won't. So yeah, it's kind of a mixed bag, really. But overall, it's a decent product. Some decent ingredients. I see why they didn't spend the money for the prostaglandins, because The Ordinary isn't really about selling $100 products. I get it. So it's a cheaper alternative to some of those expensive ones. And you know what? If there's anything left of this, I'm just going to finish on my eyebrows because my eyes are tired and done with it. So anyway, okay, with the 10 being a perfect score, I give this one 8. Worth trying for some people. Just manage your expectations on it, I think. So anyway, love hearing from you guys. Leave a comment if you had a chance to check it out and give it a try. Otherwise, love hearing from you, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.